Exodus 28. God describes the special clothing Aaron and his sons must wear as priests: an ornate vest, a jeweled breastpiece bearing the names of 12 tribes, a blue robe with bells on the hem, and a gold headplate inscribed, "Holy to the Lord." Exodus 29. God walks Moses through a 7-day ceremony to officially consecrate Aaron and his sons as priests, involving animal sacrifices, anointing with oil, and blood applied to their ears, thumbs, and toes. God also establishes a daily offering of 2 lambs, one in the morning, one in the evening, as an ongoing ritual. Exodus 30. God orders the construction of a gold incense altar and a bronze washing basin for priestly use, establishes a half-shekel temple tax for every Israelite counted in a census, and gives recipes for a sacred anointing oil and incense, both reserved strictly for worship services. What this means for us today. These chapters are essentially a picture of the problem and the solution. The problem: God is holy and people are not. So getting close to Him requires a go-between, a priest, rituals, sacrifices, and careful preparation. All of this was meant to impress on Israel that sin is serious and God's presence is not something to take lightly. The solution for Christians is Jesus. He is the ultimate high priest who fulfills everything these chapters point to. He carries us before God. He makes us clean, and through Him we have direct access to God without all the ritual. Hebrews 4:16 sums it up. We can now approach the throne of grace with confidence. These chapters paint a picture of a holy God who cannot be approached casually. The priests had to be specially set apart, dressed, washed, and consecrated before they could serve. The practical takeaway is twofold. Take God seriously and be grateful that Jesus has done what no human priest ever could.
Take the finest linen, blue and purple thread, weave the sacred garments for the priest ahead.
Golden bells and pomegranates hem the robe below, so when Aaron enters, all the courts will know.
Set apart, holy to the Lord is written on his heart. Consecrated hands and lives before the throne. You are called, you are chosen, you are not your own.
On the shoulders, names of Israel carved in stone.
12 tribes on the breastplate, none shall stand alone. Urim and Thummim, mercy shining bright. Aaron bears the judgment in the holy light. Set apart, holy to the Lord is written on his heart. Consecrated hands and lives before the throne. You are called, you are chosen, you are not your own. 7 days of offering, blood upon the altar stone. Oil poured and fire falling, come and make us clean and whole. Morning after morning, incense rising sweet and true. Every generation kneels and offers all to you. At the tent of meeting, I will meet with you. Sanctified by glory, everything made new. Israel, my treasure, dwelling in your midst. I am Lord, your God. a night.